Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and what I got in front of me is the top off of this case that goes to one of the AFX slot cars, and I'm going to show you how to take and make this scratched up top a little bit better. And this also works on windshields and stuff like that on Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and other Johnny Lightning, stuff like that. So I'm going to start sanding with 2000, and this will get a lot of the scratching and stuff like that off of this lid. For deeper scratches, you're going to have to start out with something more than 2000. 2000 just ain't going to do it. And there's a couple of heavy scratches like that on top, but I want to just show you on this side here just how easy it could be. Alright, wipe it off. And then we'll bump up to, let's see, 6,000. And you'll see when you're doing this, it gets a little more clearer and a little more clearer. Sometimes you're going to have to work on the inside a little bit. And like I said, this will work on the windshields and stuff like that for anything. I mean, even if you got a tackle box or anything like that, you can sand this out and make, get rid of them scratches and stuff where you've dropped it. I know I'm not the only one in the world that has done that, dropped them. So now we're going to move up to 12,000. A little water on it and start sanding. If I can hold on to the sandpaper. See, it's pretty clear there, or it's not as clear, but it's at least not all scratched up. It's smooth. So the first thing I do, break out my old favorite Magnum polish, and it's kind of like a rubbing compound, so you put some of that on there. Microfiber cloth. Okay, I'm hitting the camera now. Sorry about that. And you just buff. You can see it doesn't look too clear, but wipe it off. And you can see how much clearer it's getting. That looks a lot better. Now what you're seeing, this other stuff is on the inside. But it's better than this scratched up part. Now I go one step further. I have some Rust-Oleum polishing compound that came with a headlight restoring kit. So you put a little of that on there. Try to keep it on the thing here. So before I knock it over. clean off this desk. I'm sorry, guys. You see, a little cloudy. And what I'm doing is just buffing it off. See how much clearer that is? Good on this side. And you see it's not as clear, it's scratched up. As you look on this side, other than what's on the inside, it's nice and smooth, it's clean. And there you go. That's how you do it. So anyways, guys, I figured I'd make this quick video, give you a little idea how to do something like this. You can do this with any clear plastic. Doesn't matter what it is. Headlights, tackle boxes, any kind of box that's clear. Plastic bottles, I don't care. Whatever you need to do, make something clear, you can do this. Like I said, windshields can be cleaned just the same way, but I just wanted to give you a quick video on that. So if you guys like this, hit that like button, subscribe, share. It helps this channel 100%. My Patreon is set up. It will be set up a little bit better, but I will add features as I go along. The one thing I didn't add is I will put people's, if you subscribe to Patreon, you will be recognized on every video. So anyways, I will get out of here. I will catch you guys on the next video.